Good morning 2A and 2B. For our last lesson for this week before your term break is all about elapsed time. What does it mean by elapsed time? When we say elapsed time, it means it is the hour or the minutes that has passed. Okay? So how much hour or how many hours or how many minutes has passed already? So for example, math class starts at 9 o'clock a.m. and ends at 10 o'clock a.m. So it starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 10 o'clock. So lesson time is how many hours? 1 hour. Okay? So 10 a.m. is 1 hour after 9 o'clock. 9 a.m. or 9 o'clock a.m. is 1 hour before 10 o'clock a.m. So as you can see, we are still using the words before and after. Let's take another example. Jan got on the school bus at 3 o'clock p.m. and reached home at 3:30 p.m. How long was the ride home? So it started at 3 o'clock. You can see the hands of the clocks. Shorthand at 3, longhand at 12. And at 3:30 p.m. In between 3 and 4, the shorthand. Longhand at 6. So time taken, 30 minutes. So 3:30 p.m. is how many minutes after 3 o'clock? Good job. 30 minutes after 3 o'clock p.m. 3 o'clock p.m. is 30 minutes before 3:30 p.m. Let's try to do this one. Pat and his family arrived at the park at 10 o'clock a.m. They started at 10 o'clock and ended at 11 o'clock a.m. So they leave the park at what time? 11 o'clock. They spent how many hours at the park? They spent 1 hour at the park. So 10 a.m. is 1 hour before, what do we write here? 11 o'clock. And then 11 o'clock is 1 hour after, good job, 10 o'clock. Another example. Sam fell asleep at 5 o'clock p.m. He woke up after 30 minutes or half an hour. 5 o'clock, he was sleeping, taking a nap. Are you taking a nap? 5:30, he woke up. 5 o'clock p.m. is 30 minutes or half an hour before 5:30 p.m. So 5:30 p.m. is 30 minutes or half an hour after 5 o'clock p.m. So still, you need to use your AM and PM in answering your questions here. Also, don't forget the use of the before and after. Take note. Before, make sure that the time is before that particular number. And then after, definitely, you have to write the number that comes after that one. So please remember to read the directions carefully and the statements carefully so that you won't get a wrong answer. Please work on your math worksheets. That is, I think, pages 111 to 117, or I just check your Padlet for the page numbers. I forgot the page numbers. Don't forget to upload it to your Seesaw account. And for your homework, you have pages 123 to 124. I bet you know already what to do with those because we are done discussing everything for this week. And happy term break! Bye!